verdict in a case that shook Delhi many years ago. Also, what's the latest with the Gujjar agitation? How badly will the National Capital Region be affected tomorrow? All that and lots more coming up. Good evening. You're watching Urban Planet. I'm Jyotsna. Let's quickly take a look at the day's top stories. With fuel prices heading only north, the road ahead is getting bumpier and bumpier for car owners. But the fear factor has thrown up some practical choices, with more and more people considering cheaper and more fuel-efficient options. Kate Kiangre reports.
This small cylinder packs a punch for Kirit Ruparel's car. A while ago, he switched from using petrol to compressed natural gas, a conversion that cost him 35,000 rupees. But it's an investment he does not regret. The upshot, the vehicle can switch to the petrol option in case it runs out of fuel.
It's shot down by 75%. What I mean is my cost is almost 25 to 30% only.
It may take up a bit of your luggage space and put the brakes on speed. But with the option to save, more and more people are considering the CNG route. Think about it. You can go the same distance in 12 rupees where you currently pay 50.
The cost is only 20-25% of the fuel cost. Second thing, you save on the most precious fuel.
But if you think this math will take a little while to convince you, there is another option. It's called carpooling.
Ever since concerns arose over a possible hike in fuel prices, carpooling websites like these have seen a 20 to 30% increase in the number of queries. In fact, this site added 1,000 new members just the last month. Call it a search for options or sheer desperation, but more and more people are looking for alternatives to deal with the pinch to their pocket.
When it comes to the users, obviously they'll be saving a lot on the fuel price because they'll be splitting it amongst themselves. The wear and tear of the car will reduce. A lot of the traffic of the road also will get reduced. Suppose if you manage to knock off 10 cars out of 50 cars off the road, and if each car is about 3 meters, so you're knocking almost a kilometer and a half of space on the road during peak time. So you're saving a lot on traffic as well.
Neighboring countries like Bangladesh and Pakistan have already taken the CNG route, and carpooling is generating growing interest in the West. But experts feel that unless these alternatives are considered seriously by the government, there's no ducking rising fuel prices. With Kate Kiangre in Mumbai, Satpreet Kaur, NDTV.
Well, that's it then for today. Thanks very much for watching. Up next, Prime Time.